Good evening, everyone. My name is Naomie Nishimwe, and I'm going to take you through my journey as Miss Rwanda 2020. March 2020, my first step was to raise awareness about mental health on an unclaimed platform. I appeared in CNBC Africa, during which session we were able to broach issues around mental health, including state of mental health, stigma, and other issues. April 2020, distribution of sorted foodstuff worth to vulnerable communities in the Gitega area. The activity was concluded in partnership with Executive Administrator of Nyarugenge District. I visited families in Nyabihu who had been affected by floods, landslides during the April rain. The main objective was to emphasize with them and spend time with them. Several of the affected families were supported with assorted household and essential items. July 2020, I had virtual mental health sessions where I conducted mental health awareness virtual conversation via Zoom with several experts in subjects like Kelly Johnson Gahaya and other important figures from the African Mental Health Matters group and Max Color group. Anyone interested was able to join the conversation, ask any questions to any of the experts, and even to give their view on the subject. September 2020, I spent a week in Nyaruguru interacting with teenagers and young single mothers living in Nyamyumba village, Murambisel and Mata sector. We were able to have a few discussions on to fight against teenager pregnancy and depression in terms of how to prevent it and draw more awareness to it. In these few months that I spent making such a contribution to my country, I was not only able to change the people's lives, but my own as well. I learned as I taught. Therefore, I plan on continuing this journey as long as I can. August 2020, visit Tundela. I made a visit on the institution focused on provision of mental health services located in there. During this visit, we held discussions with the management of facility, obtained deeper understanding of the fight against the mental health. November 2020, Hamwe Festival. I participated in a discussion on building mental health care system in Rwanda context. This discussion featured mental health experts and advocates and were every crucial in bringing leading stakeholders to table. Being crowned Miss Rwanda 2020, it was a dream to me, and tonight I'm about to close this beautiful chapter in my life. It has truly been a memorable year filled with adventures, challenges, growth, tears, and smiles. I'm extremely grateful to all the people who have stood by me throughout this journey. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to my country, Rwanda, for trusting me. Thank you to Miss Rwanda organization for giving me this platform. Thank you to my family and friends. You have given me nothing but positive support, and that means so much to me. To my parents who have been there every single step of the way, you are my inspiration and I love you. Last but not least, everything wouldn't be possible without God Almighty. And to the lucky young lady who will get to wear the crown Miss Rwanda 2021. Enjoy each moment, every second, and everybody you meet. This will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you will take with you forever.